Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the left, mid and right function. Left, mid and right function are a text-based function and they are used to separate some characters from a text. For example, here we have employee ID, which is composed of the abbreviated form of a country, the unique ID of employee, and finally the department of each employee. And for some reasons, I want to separate the country, the unique ID and department from this employee ID. So the first one is the left function. Write equal, then left from your keyboard, open the bracket, the text. From which text we are going to separate the value? I want to separate the value from this text, which is located in cell A3, then comma. How many characters do you want to separate from the left side of the text? I want to separate 3 characters. IN, which stands for India. Close the bracket, then enter. Okay, perfect. Now the mid function. Text. From which text I'm going to separate or extract my value? From text which is located in cell A3, then comma, start number. The middle value should start from which character? So the first 3 character was for the left function and the mid value will start from character number 4. So the mid value will start from character number 4, comma, number of characters. How many characters I want to separate or I want to break up? Then I want to separate 3 characters, close the bracket, then enter. 2 or 3. Then the right function, write equal, right, text. From which text? Again from cell A3. The number of characters, how many characters I want to separate from the right hand side? AC, account department, I want to separate only 2 characters. Close the bracket, then enter. Okay, the employee having ID 203 is from India and he or she is in account department. Now you can populate this formula to the bottom hand side. Everything is done automatically for you. This particular employee, which has a unique ID of 300, is from USA and he is from production department. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful for you.